Continents, oceans. Continents. What is continent? A large landmass is called continent. How many continents are there on the earth? There are 7 continents on the earth. What are they? They are number 1 Asia, number 2 Africa, number 3 North America, number 4 South America, number 5 Antarctica, number 6 Europe, number 7 Australia. These are the 7 continents in the world. What are the largest and the smallest continents? Asia is the largest continent in the world. Australia is the smallest continent in the world. Let us see on these 7 continents on the world map. This is Asia. This is the largest continent in the world. This is Africa. This is the second largest continent in the world. It is also known as Black Continent. This is North America. This is South America. This is Antarctica. This is Europe. This is Australia. It is the smallest continent in the world. Oceans. What is ocean? A large water body is called ocean. How many oceans are there on the earth? There are 5 oceans on the earth. What are they? They are number 1 Pacific Ocean, number 2 Atlantic Ocean, number 3 Indian Ocean, number 4 Antarctic Ocean, number 5 Arctic Ocean. What are the largest and the smallest oceans? Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Let us see all these 5 oceans on the world map. This is Pacific Ocean. It is the largest and deepest ocean in the world. This is Atlantic Ocean. It is the second largest ocean in the world. This is Indian Ocean. This is Antarctic Ocean. It is also known as Southern Ocean. This is Arctic Ocean. It is the smallest ocean in the world.